everyone. Today we will be discussing another question of JEE mains which came this year. And in this question, for changing the capacitance of a given parallel plate capacitor, dielectric material of dielectric constant K is used, which has the same area as the plates of the capacitor. The thickness of the dielectric slab is 3D by 4, where D is the separation between the plates of the parallel plate capacitor. The new capacitance is C dash in terms of original capacitance C naught. That we have to find the new capacitance. So the original capacitance, it will look something like this. Let us say the plate area is A and the distance between the plates is D. Of course, the dielectric constant, that will be 1. So I can write the original capacitance, that will be A epsilon naught by D. Now we are taking the same capacitor and 3/4 of this gap is filled by a dielectric constant, dielectric material of dielectric constant K. So that will look something like this. 3/4 is filled. So 1/4 still has air in it, or you can say the dielectric constant in the remaining part is 1. Here it is K. So what I can do, I can divide this into 2 parallel capacitors. 2 parallel plate capacitors, one is C1 and the other is C2. And as you can see, the C1 is beside C2, so both these capacitors are in series. I can write the value of C1 as K A epsilon naught, and the gap is 3D by 4 for the first capacitor. So this will be 4K A epsilon naught by 3D, while the capacitance of the second capacitor, that will be A epsilon naught divided by D by 4. To simplify this, you'll get 4A epsilon naught by D. Now, these capacitors are in series. So to find C dash, we'll use the series formula. That's 1 by C dash equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. And this will give me 1 by C1 will give me 3D, this inversed. First equation inversed, 3D by 4KA epsilon naught. While the second equation, if you inverse the second equation, that will give me D over 4A epsilon naught. I can take a few things common here. That is, I can take D over 4A epsilon naught common. That will give me 3 by K plus 1. Solve this a bit and you'll get D by 4A epsilon naught 3 plus K by K. So the final value of C dash, that can be written as 4 K A epsilon naught 4 K A epsilon naught divided by D 3 plus K. Now you see A epsilon naught by D, if you separate it, the remaining thing will be 4K by 3 plus K. And this A epsilon naught by D is your original value of C naught. So final C dash can be written as 4K by 3 plus K into C naught. This will be the final answer, 4K upon 3 plus K C naught. So 4K upon 3 plus K C naught. So fourth option will be the correct option. So here the main concept was that if the area is the same as the plate area for dielectric material, we'll treat it as capacitors in series.